Blessed Geza bounces back. War veteran to address nation on Friday, the 11th of September 2025, by a correspondent. Outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza has resurfaced after months of silence, announcing that he will deliver a national address this coming Friday. In a brief statement issued on Wednesday afternoon, Geza confirmed his return to the public stage, but did not disclose the specific issues he intends to tackle. Geza has previously been one of the most vocal critics of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration, often challenging its policies, governance style, and handling of national affairs. His sharp commentary earned him both loyal supporters and fierce detractors within ZANU-PF and the broader political landscape. Political observers say Geza's reemergence comes at a critical moment when the ruling party is battling internal factional fights, economic headwinds, and growing public dissatisfaction. His Friday address is expected to draw significant attention as speculation mounts over whether he will reaffirm his criticism of Mnangagwa's leadership or chart a new course.